Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how soil structure impacts groundwater. Soil structure refers to the arrangement of soil particles. The way soil particles are organized influences how water moves through the soil. Soil with good structure allows water to infiltrate and recharge groundwater. On the other hand, compacted soil restricts water movement. When soil is compacted, water may run off instead of soaking in. This can lead to reduced groundwater levels over time. Soil structure also affects the ability of plants to access water. Roots struggle to penetrate compacted soil, limiting their access to groundwater. Poor soil structure can result in increased erosion. Eroded soil particles can clog groundwater recharge areas, affecting water quality. Healthy soil structure promotes the formation of pore spaces. These spaces allow water to flow freely through the soil. Clay soils have smaller particles and tend to hold onto water. Sands have larger particles and drain water more easily. Loam soil, a mixture of sand, silt, and clay, is ideal for groundwater recharge. Compacted soil can lead to standing water and increased surface runoff. This can result in flooding and water pollution. Soil compaction can also reduce microbial activity in the soil. Microbes play a crucial role in breaking down pollutants and nutrients. Maintaining proper soil structure is essential for sustainable water management. By improving soil structure, we can enhance groundwater recharge and protect water resources for future generations. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy water systems. Thanks for watching.